welcome back to my channel. Okay, so last week today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own vanilla extra, because vanilla is expensive and most times the one you buy is not always very good. So I'm going to show you how to make it cheaper, not cheap, but a lot cheaper and better quality. Okay, so this was vanilla I used last week. It's called Madagascan vanilla extract. I bought it from Lidl, and then I bought this one, Goodles. I used it today, but I wasn't too sure if I liked it, so I decided to buy my own vanilla pot and make my own vanilla. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own vanilla. This process takes a while. It takes about 2 months. This our pot, it takes about 2 months, but it's worth it at the end of the day. Trust me guys. See, it's worth it at the end of the day, but we're going to start the process today, and then we're going to leave it to marinate for 2 months. So let's get started. Okay, so I wanted to make my own vanilla. So I came to the store to buy vodka, and it took me almost 20 minutes to find vodka. And it reminded me of Ukraine. Like, there's vodka everywhere, every freaking where. When you walk into a store, one of the first things you find is vodka. And I walked around this entire place and I couldn't find vodka. Like, I had to be asking the man, like, do you guys sell vodka? Like, not these really expensive ones. There were some expensive ones at the corner, but that was not what I was looking for. I was just looking for regular vodka, and I couldn't find. Like, it was so surprising. Anyways, I later found vodka, and I found them in this very tiny cupboard, and they have to open them for you. Like, they lock it up in here, so you have to like bring an ID card to buy it and stuff. Like, okay, it's really nice though, especially if you're trying to keep children away from alcohol. But in Ukraine, it's a lot easier to find vodka and stuff. Like, anyways, leave Ukraine alone. So this is me trying to buy the vanilla. And if you're going to be doing this, don't buy one, please. Just buy two. I bought one because it was more expensive than I thought. But for the amount of vanilla I want to make, and I'm still going to buy one more. But so now we're going to start with one. In a couple of days, I'll buy one more and just add to it. So what you want to do is to take a chopping board. Yes, and a sharp knife. Those are the two things you need. And of course, your vodka. Okay, so this was the Goodles vanilla I bought, and also the Lidl, but didn't really like them. That was what inspired me to try to make my own vanilla. This process takes about 2 months, so it's not something you can use immediately. And if you're going to be doing this, the vodka I bought has like 300 mils. What am I saying? Yeah, about 250 mils of vodka in it. So you need about 4 or 5 of this pot. So don't just buy two. I didn't have enough money. That was why I bought two. But during the week, I'm still going to go buy one more. So what you want to do basically is to slice it in the middle, and then cut out the stems, and then just score it all around. Yeah, you want to like make lines and lacerate it all around it, so like when you dip it into your vodka, it can really, like, the vodka can have time to penetrate and like have those spaces which you've scored to be able to pass through it and stuff. Okay, so that's the same thing you want to do for the other one. You want to score it in different places. You don't want to cut it into pieces. Yeah, you just want to make lines and just cut it all around, so that like there can be space for the vodka to pass through it. And then if you notice, there is going to be some vanilla seeds, those very tiny black seeds, on the board you use and also on the knife. So you just want to scrape it as much as possible and put it inside the bottle, and then shake the bottle, and then we can pop it in the fridge or just leave it somewhere on the counter for the next 2 months. So if you're using this amount of vodka, just make sure you add more pots, like maybe 2 or 3 more. Thank you guys for always watching my videos, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.